Okay.
Yeko.
So, Hot FM 93.9 FM is live. Your friend is saying a year or so for Kabana or Usweti. But we'll be going live. Okay, hello. Kabana or Usu Ajima. Alright, Yes, Cabra, you do as you did, but I told my listeners earlier on, said your coded location. Coded location. And also for Kwabana Owuswe J and an appointment about Beshia. Menino Ebedin Komo. And it is a coded location. Once again, let me reiterate. Coded location, Kwabana. Dabi. But Kwabana, ma your phone joining you on Facebook Live. Isaac Dako Buama, Facebook Live. Isaac Dako Buama. We are live on Facebook. So, Ebia, one may doubt, say, is it true? So for Kwabana Jena on any interview Nampa. They will see him live on my Facebook wall, Isaac Dako Buama. Papa Timen and a man Smith and Chain. Gagantua lady waha. Awal Sayyid Muhammad Wahanamo. And no Panicassia back also come who Hanamo. Okay. All right. All right. Well, no time, but now said, now, yen my tear for Aquaba Biomra Hot 93.9 FM marching, Ejuma D. So. We are live on Facebook, Isaac Dako Buama as well. And I'm paying no Sabi can capture your tier for SN. We will be getting closer in a coded location with a year or so for Kwabana Owusu Ajay. Now, Gabriel, once I'm going to make a say, all the Kwabana Owusu, and also for the Kwabana Owusu. So, what's I say? 80 minutes. Oh, one sir. Gara, one sir. Agukudro be a woman. A software, a word of maybe woman. Enti, Abaya be a small kind, sir. But I will soon for the offer of Bejaono. A lie, Juana. That's of one couple. All right. So, Sabia work a daily guide front page and banner headline say NDC prophet threatens to kill EC boss Jane Mensa. Also for Kabra Jane for daily guide and you man pay. You bet the home come also for Hot FM 93.9 megahertz. Yamaka.
Mejamoso, Michiamati for so. Namiasun be coming.
And also the council. Also for Kabra Jane and Ekasai.
But your mere mini apostle Kabana Uswiti, Miana.
Oh, yeah, this is
Minia DC.
Who join the party then?
Main joining party.
Oh, yeah, sympathize on my party then.
Main sympathizing my party. I take instructions from Elohim, the Nyamebeka Saminian and Namiya. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing.
And that is what Elohim has instructed you, said. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kabana.
Exactly, and that is what I am doing. And this is for year the end, so I will say it.
All right, but what threatens say obekum electoral commission chairperson as Daily Guide has an opinion one more editor on front page.
Daily Guide will be any say Freddie Blade ya. O me Jimmy.
Oh,
can I on second year pass o me Jimmy. Na friend say ufi CPP a na wo call friend say MPP dey the chairman. Jimmy for the go.
Oh,
I'm a for bra wo party ma ufi CPP a oba ya am the chairman because Oyakufu Ado Adamfo. Oh, say Jimmy na ekoso Ghana no. Instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, no, they use it to do policies. Men can't baby I say me cook Jim Mensa, easy boss. Men can't baby
but okay, saying
what I said is this. Jim Mensa, a radia be me. Number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open all the Ghana fat kind so. Sa quite now they Ghana a fast one, and the Bassa Beba, a Jabeto Ghana. And I'm a catcher, say, medium who says, Jato Ghana. Ghana phone in Abbey who say, walk, and I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in there too. So also, dear Gabriel, I can't have for the catcher say, you're not out there. And as you will be the first to die, I saw it. And have I threatened her?
so also for what evidence where one here should I say Jim Mensa Gabia social about Kufado and the as of you mentioned yesterday that you keep reiterating. So I'm morning up Kushiaka and said this is what she should do and I want.
Look, it's not news. Second in the pointing station, so HSS Charlotte say, or ya Shauni, or the Tona Cote power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say. Oh, it was all part of the agenda. Jomo buy an open go for church or let time yesterday, then no me Charlotte say and no darling girl, Abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me, baby, I'm if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. What you say? If she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say, Jim Mensa, you are doing silly. You are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let's do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better into my pay for. What's my did nothing?
But
she
can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say electoral commission now would be any more so be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make her silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No, Until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Okay. Me say the richest person in Ghana, the Ghana is your friend Furiata.
Analysis when there's some
Chroma bank, Chroma insurance, business, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co. They are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out. Go and take. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jim Mensa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so maybe your man can say, "Too Charlotte," say, "No, me too now." No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader or say election race area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So what I say, now agenda is say now or Babisia, who say Udi and now di to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We're a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Kuta Muntino, I dream Papa be any Muntino. Debbie sorry, and I can in Japan. On why I'm more, and then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, a contract, let me tell you. Maybe she if you are so correct. So what I say, a Jimmy for it is a redeeming. No. I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it. I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament. He is an idiot of a member of parliament. Japan. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen Central MP who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet my snap net two. Out of that CID boss. Out of that IDP. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Duncan's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm lie detector test in this show. Kenya Japan, I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more ring. I need a lie detector test. Now you need a cameras die so. Yeah, chef who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan, when Asante for no planning here, so mo Kobi Ejinem Amananato. Now, Omakoyo Munyan Komatieno. Now, behu watching him. And watching him 1 year boy, Emma. Oh, this is May 2015. Yes. And watching him on your boy, which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also, JB Dankwebi, or Tafo or filling station open another simple. But on the call, the blood line, need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa, on no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho, or the grand niece or something like that. Into to pay the Apega people, because like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apega, Ofreta Wu Yan Kuno, and the Kukuakunan, so I say, Omo, this year, and Apega force a bomb to ya. Some Sumuya, either. Into they had to go and pay the Apega people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible to only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, yeah, why you tape me at them? Or say Kenya Japan is a sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Say Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yani Yana Hotel from the police were by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in. They
didn't see any boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was it? Yeah,
no, yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah. No, Greater Accra something. Yeah, anyway. Now, listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in Japan. JB Dankwa no pana Yekuno, which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adie Amanye, because he's the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member. Or say Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado, and they say Omra Meshe Assembly I said no more money. Those were his words. And the DCOP Dampare and walk on out. Say a higher crime scene, a higher parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net 2, and told the whole world, say police need be, and a friend and a party say same way they see. It will do me kabaye. Hey, Kenya Japan, let me tell you, you are a good spin doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obini. My name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofumame kino dina efua jebua ya na adaka wo muzama. Sesi amika say me kana mena Kenya Japan. Hey, and now what you want? What's it? See, before by the midjan.
Yes.
Where did I run away?
Before.
Where did I run away?
Where did I run away? Before we go there, sir. Because some can't say see before my phone we're trying to see before we go. BNI for the national security no company I didn't run away trying. Let's say I was want to know if you won't company. But I am in a coded location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The beginning of Madako Isaac. I'm here this morning with Awal Saeed Mohammed Nagagan Twan lady or Hidewakas Buahin. And I'm many on me and Sana Kwabena Wusu, Kofi Amare, and the Cephas, and DJ Kobinuso, Air Studio way back in Accra. Jamestown, a year Afro Towers. Now, so you will code that location of play. You know, so for Kwabena J. Aiding Como. Or say, Kennedy Japan should shut up. He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Eh? Let me tell you something. Because of the role he played in Jamie Dankwa's death. Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Assembly Asia, no Makofano, no Abetrao, no. Obini Mishu is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning,
yes, good morning.
I come from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the arrest.
Okay. Oh. Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend,
Don't touch me.
Anyway, Hot 93 on 9 FM March. Please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
From the
how?
Security to arrest on a year, Papa, a year, Papa. Please.
Hey, no.
Please take your time, please. We are helping you.
No.
Please take your time.
How come?
This is happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come? Hey.
No, let us also know because we are here with you.
How come, sir? Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we are happy. Let us please know. We have to know if they are really from the national security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. We have to know. No. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
5
Another one.
Another car.
Residents of you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the national security has just picked the residents.
Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let us make a follow-up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay, Yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, national security has just banked in to pick a year. Yeah. Your friend is saying, also for community. Correct. That's true. I'm also a lawyer. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to make further phone calls. I will follow up the national security. Okay. So let me, please take a step out for me. Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day, we were in a quadruple location with him. This is what has just happened right now. A year also for Cabinet Day. If you that national security man pointed a gun at me, trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Actually, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno. I'm the 3 cars. 3 VIP cars.
Yenim baby a omode ne ko omode omani a kire me ka say yenim baby a omode ni na den akọ eyade amanfo
a young residents. Okay 0544. Okay.
Baby, I want to know any idea. Baby, I can't be back. A coin. And said I yes, the new choir move out from Mepimua. Menu can say a man for Ascajere. Baha, you haven't seen any funny, but don't be a dim from what. no mo kan say e ya de o me de o me kasa e ya de o me kasa e bi so e wa ye hwe de bi a o mo de ne ko ye nya hu be bi a o mo de ne ko de no ka se be ko etu ka na o ma ma ye hu be bi a e bi so mo se o me ti o mo ti be bi a o mo de be ni e ko na so ma ita se e ya de o me ti se o ma e be ko ita se ko ti ni a friend lawyer na ta o bi a o mo se o mo ma ene friend lawyer me no ka se o mo de pe ni kwa na so mo di national security o mo do again ID card just say omo financial security and I buy it. I'm not going to say move for her. Some I'm not going to pinino and I am not going to yeah, but maybe I hear it just a local high location. Yeah, so maybe I hear interview.
Okay, so
we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. As we said earlier, we are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons. Yes, baby, I want to baby, I'm not sure what I hear. I'm not going to say, yes, baby, I will Facebook. Some people are saying, Facebook. I bet you lawyer Obama, lawyer Isaac Bomber, that will Facebook. We are going to have I actually see any qualification.
No.
You move from there. You and Guamada Gaga move from the Bia Moses Piano.
Okay. I saw them all.
No.
Barbara, me no ka say idea ye fi ho a me dey ani ache direction aka ne fa ye no o ho na dey ani ache sisi a ye hwe cause ebusafo na e worried no mo che say omo nim be a omo di share na dey ekọ omo nim be a omo di share na dey ekọ nti omo so e worried a omo so ye dey e person omo nya ka na omo dey fi ha na omo dey dey omo do omo ani ache be aka ne obi ani be a omo dey ne ko so omo dey ne ko hia na so omo dey ne ko he ye ade a ye timi hu be a omo dey penini ye dey ekọ nanso ebusafo no so ai bobo omo say me no ka say omo tuka omo ye say senka bia na ifo no metimi the national security for metimi we na betimi mama come na meet you
yeah woman national security for everyone no omo bisa wasem omo no kasa Governor, no one actually asked me anything. Obi am something. They only brought the we thoughts now also for Kabere Jakata say Obi ababa ho no maba ka ho show no ho. So we thought So we thought I said that person was going to be Nipa no ba you know. I know you Nipa no ba joining you know. But it was unfortunate 2 men no almost court warrant from the court. I said some mama a year also for Kabana AJ 80. They just banked in and arrested a year also for Kabana AJ. As we speak, the residence of a year also for Kabana AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, you know, we have to speak to some of the residents, but some of the residents sir. So Ebekasa and hot 93.9 of them, and So I want
you to na organize obiase eyan ade a obetimi no ere eno akasa nanso omuhu na esi ya no because omu de na nipa ne bi wa bonte bebi ase me kire me pese me kire be yen bebi a we ka se obi ani ho ade amanfo ede ewo ho a edwede ni ade ede koso nanso omu kire se eyan ade obi a ready so obe kasa na omu a kire ni a esi ye enomu hu ye emra ka ne ba ye omu si fom no ne omu ye ye eyan ade obi a ready so obe kasa nsi ye wa ha a ye tu kasa na me no kasa ade ni a kire wa ye ko bebi a ka no direction ka ne ede e fa ni ahwese be hu pofo na chi kwan ana se bibi sa me no kasa de ye ade a ebusafo no so etimi ehu bebi a omode hye no ewo omo ankyere bebi a omo ye den omo a me no kasa egusu a ye den ye ko ya ye de mi ka ye den ye ko nti peni no ya de a bi na national security boy den abefa no kwa ye nim bebi a omo ye sisu se omo abefa no kwa ya kasa central for kwa ho a na ye nchebi no omo etimi ankyere bebi poti ya den omo de peni ni kwa me no kasa omo abefa peni no D8 baku miensa ene baku mienu ye black ena baku ye ash baku ye ash a ebefa peni ni kwa ya se na edi kan de tuja no ye de nama na tuja dada cars na ebefa peni no edi kan de nama na ye de atuja dada me no kase ye gusu a ye fi ha ye ko ebusafo na ye worry omo chese nka bibi kwampo a omo ma accommodation no enfe no lawyer nanso national security for no ampeni ma wan friend no lawyer me no kase omo abefa peni ni kwa in fact aye nsem mebra ye gusu a me hwese me betimi efi enso ye pe bebi e fa because ye nim the next way I ever say bia yan kasa so omo abefa ana say de ntimi ye de entra ye fi osisi a ye de ni a kire bebi a ye kwa ye mpese bibi nti ye be kire bibi poti a samre ye den ye ko nti ye fi ho a nam kwan so a ye ko na mbom ye di kan na chi first ni ahwe bebi a kan ne fa ye se oho ye be ko ko kan mo na say the traffic bi kura ye be hu o man ti ye fifie ho a ye nam kwan so a ye den ye ko
Right, what's the meantime?
Metal come cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area honum.
Cobra.
Move follow up to the via na car no air corner.
Cobra, me no can say you fit area move.
You get back to you guys. Now, you didn't come or any information you are about the Mayeno. I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gates. I'm not the name called BNI. Police headquarters. We don't know. So, yeah, move follow up. Now, move through the area. We are getting calls here. Yes, now, baby, I'm one. Move through, move stopping all the interviews. I'm more your baby. I'm more the move through.
Cobra, send me can. Idea you 50 wa. You did near chair direction a car no fire. No, Sabe 2 more and as a senate. 50 wa. You don't pass a year for direction a car no cast no fire. I'm depending on the direction and you ever say Pia. You be home and also you could say idiot. You be a woman in the quality. You did try it. I call you here. Maybe I'm depending on.
All right. So, Governor, we are following up to the National Security and Secretariat Home Office, where are the baby house the National Security Minister to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Governor J. Wamadino Aquafa. So, you face animal, what be your car? We are also law. What are your lawyer? It's to Governor Somoho.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8.